In today's video, I will be showing you how you can remove a background from the image. So you can use any browser that you have currently installed in your PC. So you can use Microsoft Edge, you can use Opera Main, you can use Firefox, you can use Chrome, the same that I'm using here. And then you are going to locate your search bar and type the words photopea.com. Yeah, you are going to search that, but I'm going to leave the link somewhere around here so that you can see how to spell it. And then for me, I've already pinned the website here, so I just go ahead and click it just like that. So here is our home page of our website. So here you can see you can upload different types of files here. You can upload PSD, you can upload these things which I don't have idea what they are. You can also upload PDF. You can upload the PDF and start editing here. And then raw, you can take picture with your computer directly and start editing. You can upload a JPG, PNG, GIF, and all these things here. So without wasting any time, we are going to locate our file. So here we are going to click here where it's written open from the computer, or if you want, you can use this method as long as you are going to access your file. So for today's example, I'm going to click here on the open from the computer, just like that. So this is the image that I'm going to use, which is JPEG file. Okay, I just click and then click open here. So we want to remove the background from this picture, from this image. The background I'm talking about, this white color here. We are going to leave this part of the picture, but we are going to remove this white color here. This is what we call a background of our image. And also, if we want, we can also remove this, but we can leave it if we want. So first of all, I'm going to show you the quickest way to do it. You just have to come here and click and hold this icon here, and then you click on the magic word, and then you come here on your background. This is the background that you want to remove. You're going to hover your mouse pointer here, and then you click just like that. You have highlighted your background now, and then you're going to click delete on your keyboard. It's going to delete your background. A quick tip: if you want to remove a certain background, you just have to hover your mouse pointer on that certain background, and then you click directly on that part. You see now it has highlighted the whole part. That's how you do it. If you want to remove this part, you are going to hover your mouse and then you click on that part. It's going to highlight the part that all the part that include the part that you have clicked or selected. But this is not going to work perfectly on all pictures, because some pictures are going to confuse the highlighter. You might find it good that it has highlighted even the parts that you were not willing to highlight. So in that case, I'm going to upload another video showing how you can delete the background automatically, manually. This is automatically. I'm going to upload another video showing how you can delete the background manually. So just like that, you just have to go to your keyboard again, and then you hit delete. Just like that, you have deleted the background. Everything is deleted now. So let's take, you want to create a thumbnail. To save this if you want to create a thumbnail without any background, you are going to save your picture. You are going to save this file as a PNG, because if you save it as JPG, it's going to show another background which is going to be white again. So if you don't want to see a background at all, you just want to see this image, you are going to save it as PNG. So to save it, you just go here and click file, and then you export. You just hover your mouse here, and then it's going to show you a side menu. Click here on PNG, just like that, and then you click save. So let's view our picture now. I want us to compare the one that we are going to save at a JPG, and then the one that we have saved as PNG. So this one, the first one, we saved it as PNG, and then now I'm going to save another one as JPG. So I'm going to save it as JPG, and then you click save, just like that. You can also see the KBs for JPG are very low compared to PNG. So here's my picture which I saved as a PNG, and then let's open another one which I saved as a JPG. You see, this is what I was talking about. This one, it automatically created a white background, but that background that we have deleted is gone. But this is how it saves images. It's going to create another this one. We can take it as there's no background, but you are going to see it. Since we are going to see this white background, it won't be suitable for us to create maybe a thumbnail, or if you wanna take this part and edit some and do some graphic design, it won't be suitable, or unless you have another plans with it. So yeah, it's your choice whether I want to save it as JPG or PNG. So for me, that was it for today.